Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Revolut's cryptocurrency staking feature. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Revolut account, and then once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to the invest section. Next, you want to tap cryptocurrency staking, and then you can set up you can set up your cryptocurrency staking account. Next, you want to fund your cryptocurrency staking account. Of course, you can do that with through different means. And then once you're done funding your account, you can start earning interest on your cryptocurrencies. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Revolut's cryptocurrency staking feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.